Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys a quick chicken fry recipe. For this you need to boil your chicken adding turmeric powder. Then take the chicken in a separate plate. Then take a fresh pan. Add oil. Then you have to keep the gas on the medium flame. Add onions and fry them until they get brown. Add 2 green chilies. I have chopped them nicely. Add tons of curry leaves. Mix them well. Now fry them until they get brown. Now the onions are fried well. So now I am going to add the boiled chicken chunks in it. Keep the gas on low flame. Start adding the masalas now. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Add chili powder as per your requirement. I am adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Add salt to the taste. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Or you can use freshly chopped garlic and ginger paste as well. So now mix it well. Add coriander leaves. Add little water. Cover this and cook for 10 minutes. So now the delicious chicken fry is ready.